Flash is going off now. There's enough light. So it's got the screen. That's great.
Who's got the best throwing arm?
I pretend that I play baseball.
I'll try.
I guess we got those.
Yeah. Where are we going?
Probably the easiest is just underhand.
That direction? They don't, they're sure. Ooh, that is enough.
Oh! Oh, my bad.
I'm in the business of killing ladies, and business is good. I got that on video.
Psychopath.
You want to say that to the camera?
Psychopath. This
You talking about me or you talking about you?
12 gauge shotgun shell. Let's see, look. I feel like you're on CSI. I'm looking at the end of the world.
Right.
Right. Just That's true.
What'd you have to say, Miss Buller?
She said that you're a punk.
Excuse me?
Oh,
Punk.
nice. Thanks.
P-U-N-K.
Man's gonna be deaf.
Punk. So sorry. Very much so.
Muchly.
Much so.
There he goes, folks.
Loud.
Way behind. Oh,
Just-
we're out of ammo. Kristen.
Don't hit the pickup.
I love the fact that you drop back like 3 inches. You're like, yeah.
Here.
But
That's as far as I'm going.
sex is even occupied set.
In karate, we have to count to 10 in turns when we do all of our sets.
Sure.
And I almost said in turn. That's what I And the bird landed. No shot.
I like how you did your own kickback there. That was nice.
You want to grab the bottle?
Shoot our way home.
Not legal.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I was anticipating it.
Still behind.
Really?
There's a bottle right here.
I'm just going by where your wad is. I don't know how well this is fly. I think I've been over